Hi everyone! Today I'm going to try out interesting beauty products. Yay! So I have two different animal face masks here. I'm so excited to try them out. One is cat emoji, one is panda. Do you still remember the video? What I got for Christmas from my boyfriend? And I received the cat emoji from him. So firstly, I will try out this cat emoji face mask first. Because I use cat emoji texting my boyfriend every day. And cat emoji is my #1 favorite emoji. Yeah, I can finally look at a cat now since I want to be a cat. See my shirt? It's Grumpy Cat. I can't find Happy Cat t-shirt, so I also have cat dresses, but they're in my boyfriend's place. It smells so good. It really looks like cat emoji. And it's very juicy. Oh, that is super cute. Whoa! See the cat emoji? Oh! And the eyes. See this? Feels really good. Cat ears.
So I will need to wait for 20 minutes, and there's no need to rinse after I peeled off.
I feel so good. I can close my eyes. Mute up.
Okay, I'm going to peel it off now and see how it looks.
Oh. For my hand skin. And next, I'm going to show you panda mask. It's super cute. Oh, okay, let's go try out. Ooh, it's very juicy. It's got panda face and it smells super good. It matches my pullover. I'm a panda now.
Let's see this. Whoa! It's just super juicy. Let's see the panda mask. Have you tried this before?
Oh, the juice is very sticky. Juicy and it's dripping. It's dripping actually. Oh, it feels so good. It's very cool and I feel it's very relaxing. So this one is especially for people who have dry skin, and it will make your skin soft and rosy. So I need to wait 15 to 20 minutes until my skin absorbs all the juice. It smells really good. I usually doing face mask once a week, but in this video I'm showing you 2 at a time. I should make my hair like buns. I wish I could try more, like the tiger, sheep, or other animals. That would be so much fun. I think you can order those on Amazon or eBay. Have you tried animal mask before? If so, which animal did you try? And which animal is your favorite? Bye-bye. I will see you in next video. I'm going to show you lots of interesting facial products. It feels so good. I don't want to even take it out. It's already been 15 minutes. still have a lot of juice. See?